Some adventures aren't really in your plans, but you figure out how to make them happen anyways. For the last several years, we've had the chance to make cider, sometimes at home with our neighbors, sometimes with friends from our church out at their house. And this year, I made a passing comment to a friend and an employee and a member of our church that we'd love to make cider if he had extra apples. And he said, "Oh, I've got apples, but you better come get them tonight because they're falling off the tree." So we kind of dropped everything, jumped in the van, and headed out to his place for an impromptu pizza party and then an apple picking party. So here we are pulling up to our friend's house. He lives not too far from us, but definitely out in the country, much slower pace of life, rolling down the dirt roads, getting the car dusty, and finding our way to his farm. How do you beat a view like that? Blue skies, open fields, and beautiful livestock. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's awesome.
Is this electric?
Yes.
Okay, so we were smart to not touch it, right? The first cow has to fly like...
Wow, look at that calf in there.
I'll show you which ones are electric. There's only 2 wires that are electric.
Mom, there's a calf. I know the calf in the hay.
This one's not right here. This one here. That one.
The ones with the black things.
The one with the black thing.
I wouldn't.
Don't
No, don't
touch
touch that
don't
one. That's
touch
electric.
that. That one you'll get a zap. That
I don't
one
think
will-
you need
I
to-
don't think you need to get any closer than you are.
All right, well, like I said, we were here to pick apples, and they were aplenty. So we'd shake them out of the tree, and then we'd get to work finding the good ones on the ground. All types of apples. These are mostly wild apples here, very sweet, a red apple. A lot of them were already on the ground. Those ones were probably too far gone, but we made our way through. We picked and we filled up feed bags, and we left with plenty of apples. And you can see the kids enjoyed going over to the pasture and feeding the cows any of those rotten apples that we were finding along the way.
Go right here.
Watch your head. Mowing over this would be fun. You'd be shooting grenades out. Oh, here we go. That's a good one right there. As you can see, Erin has herself a pair of those amazing checkered overalls like I do, so we can be quite the pair when we want to be. But I let her have all the glory to herself on this evening. There's a whole bunch right there that we just dropped. Let's bring this bag. Here you go. We had wanted to push this project off a few days, get through the weekend. We had our final big camping trip scheduled, and so we thought we'd do it early the following week. But like I said, our friend John told us that really wasn't going to be a good option. The apples were falling off the trees, and if we wanted them, we needed to get out there and get them picked. And so that's what we did. Here you go. When we were done with spot number 1, we headed across the driveway to spot number 2, where there were some Asian pears some green apples, some more red wild apples, all sorts of variety were found.
Those are pears.
Those are what, Dad?
Pears. Maybe a
Oh, do not forget the cow.
different breed of pear than you're used
Yep,
to.
these are Asian pears.
Asian pears, right from Asia.
Can I try them?
Go ahead and try it.
Here. Try it here.
I'm gonna go give this time.
No, try it. See what you think of it.
Mom, this one has wow, that's great.
Is it?
So
what do you
do with Asian food? Oh, yeah.
You can put them in your cider.
Yeah, you put them in a cider. Makes it really rich and creamy.
Try it.
All right. Watch. All clear, everybody.
I'm gonna go give Lily.
No, you stand right here while they back up.
Is it good?
Am I leaving?
Yeah.
Good, Emma.
How was it? Good?
I can get
Yeah, these ones are a little bit bitter.
Which ones? These red ones?
Ones off of this tree.
I would think they'd still turn
I
into
would think
cider
so,
fine.
too.
Hey,
They're not.
guys, quickly go through this driveway and let's clear it out of anything good, okay? That should be easy enough to...
Bring that tarp over here.
All right, I'm coming. Just wait. Okay, skim through that driveway stuff real quick.
You will.
As you can tell, John has shaken many an apple from a tree. He's a real pro.
Oh, yeah.
You just can't be afraid of getting hit in the head.
All right,
Because
watch
you're probably
this.
going to get hit in the head.
Grab that bag and drag it over here. Or an empty bag, Anderson, right there.
Yeah, all these can be picked up here.
Good job, Goose. Now put it in that bag that Anderson's bringing over.
I'm
And then watch, we'll just go like this, and we'll just drag this tarp right to the bag, and we'll be good to go.
good to
Look at that.
go where?
Into the bag.
Pull that rock one. Pull that rock one.
This one?
That one and that other one.
Uh-oh. Hold it steady, child. Pretty good. All right, you can find the ones we missed pretty easily. They're all right in front of you. Grab them.
These are nice size here.
Yeah, these will be great.
Nice.
Hold it open, AC. Hold it open.
What?
We don't want that one.
Oh, wait.
Get it?
Dang it.
Get it.
I'll get it.
I doubt it.
They gave me the idea for this.
What's that?
This hole.
Here you go.
I want to go fill tons of Asian.
Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah. Look out.
Yes.
We're ready.
Lift off.
You all right?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Press, you just lost a good one.
Well, I was trying to...
Should just put it right in the bag.
Ah! I can't make it.
There we go.
Oh! Woo! Oh, right in the bucket.
How many? Wow, Dad.
And they're all dropped.
And these are apple trees that I planted, so they're clean apples here.
Oh, okay.
I planted right over there in the corner.
Oh, yeah?
Big buck running around.
Really?
Big buck.
How big's big?
10 to 12.
Well, being out here was a real treat for us.
See, that's where I tap all my
Warm
trees
fall
there.
evening.
Back in there. I got maple trees. All those are maple trees. Those dead ones, they're ash trees.
Sun coming through
A
the
lot of maple trees
trees.
over there. Maple trees everywhere.
And an abundance
Wait,
of
can I
apples.
climb the tree and pick them?
Maybe not this tree, buddy.
These were John's Granny Smiths that he planted.
To make sure they're good.
Look out, guys. Pick through these. No.
I'll just jump up and get this one.
Oh, good catch.
These were big, beautiful apples.
These are bigger ones.
All right.
These right here are just touching each other.
Wow.
So they can go in.
They should be able to. Here, try one. Those are like the little green ones.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
After getting a few
Pretty good.
buckets of these and several bags of all the other varieties, we were set
Ready?
to press some cider.
Look out below.
And of course, we made apple cobbler,
Oh yeah, those are
flash
nice.
froze
You
apples
planted
for
these, huh?
future apple pies. But mostly, we produced a whole bunch of cider.
See, those are nice for canning.
Oh, yeah.
So we headed home with the van smelling like apples, and we knew we had a big job ahead of us. I jumped on Amazon and ordered a cider press because the way we used to do it was not going to be good enough with this many apples. Time was of the essence, and so we got to work. Created a bit of an assembly line, poured the apples out all over the floor to go through and find the rotten ones so we could get rid of them. And then we would slice them up, run them through the food processor, and get them ready to go into the press. August was all in, trying to find the good apples at the bottom of the bag. Pretty much the whole family was involved at some point or another. The kitchen is a disaster when you're in a production like this. And apples are very sugary, so everything gets very sticky. But the end result is totally worth it. So here we are with our little press.
Cute.
What?
It's real bunny and apple core.
Somebody said I grew up and ate it.
And then ate it?
No, I thought it said I grew up in apple core.
No wonder you asked for more clarification.
All right, and then I just had to be careful that this arm didn't come flying out of the press and hit somebody in the face because it's a solid metal rod. But the further we went, the more cider we were able to produce. Check that out as it flows through the bottom and fills our measuring cup.
Cross, put your hand on the leg by your, just to try to hold it steady because it likes to dance.
What type of dance?
Fun times. Super different adventure for us. A little shorter video, but awesome memories just the same. We hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned. We'll be releasing our grand finale camping trip of the 2025 season next week. It's a little bit longer video, but we made the last one count. We had an awesome time. And then right after that, we will have an epic video to share from a trip we were able to take to the beautiful state of Virginia. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.